Hi, this is Sujit here from SAAB Energy Solutions from Saudi Arabia. I'm working as a commercial manager with SAAB from past 2 years. We are in partner with Jet-Lube from last year, July. It's a short time, but it got a very good mileage on our company business. It's value added. We got very good reach mainly with the potential clients for other products also. Within this short time, we have very good success stories against competitors because with our key accounts, we replaced the existing thread compounds in Jet-Lube products, especially fast-moving items, copper coat and Set 50. Especially because of the quality, customer support from the Jet-Lube and the short delivery because of the COVID. After the COVID, we faced other manufacturers, not only for the thread compounds or valve grease, other products we had a long deliveries. Comparing that situation, Jet-Lube team supported with a short delivery time to cater our for timely delivery to our end users. It helps us to reach and even get a good reach to our end users in Saudi Arabia region. So, most of the end users already know the product because this product has limited manufacturers. They already know who are the main leading manufacturers in the thread compounds and valve grease. That's why we don't want to give more about they are always looking for the stock level. If it is in the stock level, they are ready to place the order. Especially from the sales teams, immediate support from the sales director, Mr. Shan, very good support, promote response, and even with supply chain team and the back office team, Samda and even Road, they support us without any time delay. We are planning to keep a very good inventory in Saudi Arabia to promote Jet-Lube further reach in that market. And at present, we mainly focus on drilling conductors. Slowly, we are planning to have a refineries to reach valve grease and other compounds. The Jet-Lube, mainly the quality, and at present the customer support. That is the main reason.